Yes, yes, yes. Good morning, good morning. Today is 20th July and the time is 9:26. Just a short video I want to share with everyone who is interested. It's about Googling, like searching for information on Google. Let's see a typical example, straightforward. Let me take this guy. Let me push this boy down here. Okay, let me push him here. So let's see, straight away, let's say we come here. I want to search for information, and by the way, the search bar now it serves both for your website, and it also serves as like your search space. For example, I can type google.com, is it will open. But if I want to search for something, I don't need to type google.com, come here, and then let's say search for it here. No, I don't need to do that. So right, I can type it here. Let's say computer architecture. I can type it here direct, and I can type the website to here direct. So basically, now your search bar serves those two purposes. You can search there direct, and you can type the website to direct. Now this is what I want to do. For example, you want to download something. Let's say I want to download this computer architecture, and see there are articles. If you look at it, there are articles. So let's say I will copy red. Fast. So then I'll paste. So you see, and it comes with all the chaff. So from here up to I don't need all this. Possibly up to here. So I can delete this part. I don't need this. This is not well arranged. So okay, so let's say from I don't need this, from top here to here, I don't need it. And what I'm doing is, when you click here at the beginning, I just click anywhere and then scroll. Yes, I don't need up to here, so I'll press Control, then I'll click, then to highlight that part. So you see, this is what I need, but I have to search for it here and then copy it to where. Now what if there is a way to tell Google, no, what I'm coming to search, I'll finally need it in Word. So just bring out first if there are such samples in Word already. That is all. You want to search for something, you finally take it to Word to maybe print or whatever. So you can tell Google the results you are bringing, bring them in Word. That is all. So, or like the sample you show me, I need those type that are Word. So to do that, there's a simple formula, a simple trick. Before whatever the search string, whatever you want to type, just come to the beginning and type file type, then file type column, then you bring the document type you need. So let's say I need PDF space. That is all. This is what you'll be adding: file type column PDF. This is the parameter. This one can change. It can be document, it can be PowerPoint, the extension is PPT, it can be Excel, it can be MP3, MP4, it can be MP3, it can be Wave, whatever extension that you need your document, a sample of, you just put that extension there, and then that's all. So let's say PDF. So, and then that's it. You see all samples that all your results that will be coming will be in PDF. All the results will be in PDF. The same way if I need it in document, provided there is such file type. loaded. So if I need document, you will see all samples that will be coming will be in document. And let's say, for example, if I'm going to do presentation, I need it in PowerPoint, so I'll just say PPT. So it's the same thing, PPT. Take note, is file type, then column, then the extension. Just have to take note of the possible extensions you can use. And then that's PPT, and then that's for PowerPoint. You have doc, or the new version, this is docx, is the same, and then Excel, we have PDF, we have whatever extension that should come to your mind. Hey, even if it's, let's say, whatever, just think, whatever, depending on the type of work you do, that determines the file extensions you are used to. If it's, you are much into graphics, and whatever extension you need, just put that extension here, and then that is it. All the sample that will come will be in unless it doesn't exist. So straight away it kind of, you realize, download them in Word already for you. Like, it gets you samples that are already in Word. Those are the ones that will come first. So this is it. And the advantage you even get on this is you are guaranteed of if I say a more reliable information, because it's, we, like, everybody types to Google publish things, so but someone who will type in Word and then upload the Word, or like convert it to PDF and upload it in PDF, I've found, and personally, those ones are more reliable than, let's say, straight article, especially if it's not from any educational site like .edu or any reliable source. So if someone goes through like the pain to create his document and then convert it to PDF or like Word or whatever file extensions and then upload it, personal experience have found those ones more reliable. So for example, if you ask me to do anything, first thing I normally go for, the document I search is specific. I don't like go read those articles. For example, if I need some information about computer graphics, which I nearly failed, so I would say file type space, then I would say column space rather computer graphics. So you see, all documents that will come relating to computer graphics, it will be in PDF. And this is an easy way of getting books. Most books are in PDF, so it's an easy way of you getting books also. If you want a book like computer graphic, just Google PDF around it, or like economics, just type or like political science or something like political. If you type political science, all documents that will be coming will be most of them, if they exist, will be in PDF. So that is it for this short one. I hope it's helpful, and if it's helpful or you think someone will need it, kindly share with the person, please.